Everyone, welcome to Funny Side Up. Oh, by the way, Funny Side Up is officially, as of Monday, January 17th, 2 years old. Here's to another 2 years. Maybe. It's an episode today of For Your Vegucation, in which I profile a seasonal vegetable or fruit that we maybe don't know too much about, and then we do after the episode. Today it's the turnip. You may recognize a turnip from Super Mario Bros. 2. They're a root vegetable and a member of the cabbage family. They're white on the bottom and purple on top, because this is the part that sticks out of the ground and it is turned purple from the sunlight. Today we will be making caramelized turnips. Let's just get started. First things first, prep the turnips. Peeling this turnip was an absolute dream. Now it's time to really move it going. Let's go to the stove. We're here. I've got a saute pan. 3 or 4 shallot bulbs, just thinly sliced. So I'll just let those go for about 2 or 3 minutes until they start to soften, and then we'll add the turnips. And to speed up the caramelization process, we're going to add about a tablespoon or 2 of brown sugar. Now I'm just going to season with some salt and pepper. To deglaze the pan a little bit, which is when you add a liquid, often an alcohol or a vinegar, that sort of strips the bottom of the pan of any little bits that have just been chilling there. So I'm going to use red wine vinegar. I'm just going to pour it right on. Not only will that add some flavor, but it's going to help speed up the process of cooking the turnips. So this is going to cook for about 4 or 5 more minutes. Now we'll be ready to eat. It's very simple, kind of like a potato, with a little bit of a Brussels sprout taste. The red wine vinegar and the sugar have contributed to it and making it sort of like a sweet and sour dish. If you haven't tried turnips before, now's the time to do it. They are really good. Which talk show host should I cook for? Rachel Ray? Ellen? Tyra Banks? Phil Donahue? Conan O'Brien? Leave your comment with your vote. Pick one of the ones I just said, or tell me your own choice. And I'll see you next week on Funny Side Up. Terms are schmerms.